Today we're demonstrating how to auto-calibrate our SRS-4. You'll have to start by turning the ignition switch to the on position. You will then move to the display screen, which will come up with our grade control system. And from this screen, we're going to press our first soft key, then our fourth soft key, and let those go together. And that'll take us to our hidden tuning screen, which here we need to scroll down to our calibration wave using our second soft key. Once that's flashing, we're going to say OK. That'll take us into our calibration mode. Here you have the option to calibrate the left elevation, the SLS, and the right elevation. We're going to do our left elevation calibration. So we're going to say OK. That's going to give us our windows of how the machine needs to be set up and the criteria for it to pass our elevation calibration. First step is 100 to 150 degrees temperature for the hydraulics. Second is we need to be 75 to 100 feet away from our laser. Third, the boom needs to be boomed in 100%. Next, our stabilizers need to be 50% down. Again, that's only going to be with our eyes of 50%. We need enough room for the elevation to go up and down without the cylinder bottoming out. Our slope meter we're going to use for our 0% slope. We want the machine to be at 0%. Our head, we're going to use our drop tube and drop it down 50% again. We're using our eyes for that, no measurement needed. The receivers and coil cores need to be installed on the machine. And lastly, the RPMs on the engine need to go up. Once you've completed all those steps, you're gonna hit OK. It's then gonna ask you, do you want the vibrator to come on? Once you choose OK, the vibrator will automatically turn on. Then the calibration wave is gonna come up and the machine's asking you, do you want to calibrate? Yes, we do, so we're gonna choose OK. From there, you're gonna see the percent start at 0, working its way from 25 to 50 to 75 and 100. Once it's complete, the calibration is complete and you may move on to the next steps. After the left calibration is completed, you would then use the second soft key to scroll over to your right side elevation, choose the OK, and then you would simply complete the same steps as you did for the left elevation.